Hello, my name is Harry Hayden. I am the owner of Blades of Glory. Do you remember studying history in elementary school? If you're a Canadian, you know our history is extremely, boring. We do not have the exciting history of ancient Rome, Greece, or Egypt. We do not have the romantic history of the Middle Ages. That is actually our perception, though, from our experience when we were in school. Here at Blades of Glory, we have found that a hands-on approach works amazing. At our educational theme park, the students get to handle artifacts and replicas, and they get to participate in skits. We offer your students a Canadian experience that they can't get anywhere else. At our park, there are 8 different stations. Each one is 15 minutes long based on attention span. Your students get to not just learn about the fur trade, but they get to barter using furs. Compare and contrast the First Nations weapons to the European ones. Learn to write their name in Viking runes. Witness the Jesuit experience and some of the early punishments. They also get to learn some early French-Canadian songs. Learn about the First Nations story of creation and see and touch the turtle and other reptiles. They also get to learn how to do a First Nations hoop dance and also take part in a Viking play. After lunch, parents, teachers, and students alike get to be entertained by our Vikings in a fighting show. Your students experience a day at Blades of Glory and leave with a lifetime of memories. Book your Canadian experience today.